Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight the market bears took the challenge back towards that key level of 65.10.15, and from there the bears were ambushed and the market rebounded and posted a dragonfly doji. The dragonfly doji is a bullish candlestick pattern characterized by its unique formation. It consists of one candle and acts as an indication of investors' indecision and possible trend reverse. Clearly, we can see there has been a reversal, and from the dragonfly doji could see further gains, and with the market still waiting to take out this level of 66 figure 15, which is seen as the 60-day simple moving average. A break there will give further scope to the upside to 66.65 to 67.20.25. Any pullback, still view the base still around 65.10.15 as a potential holding zone. Euro finally found the bullish divergence as it kicked in aggressively overnight and ended the positive session on Friday as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, tumbled heavily from 103.80 to now sitting at 103.06. The week has been a mix of anticipation and surprises for all of us, as the current US FOMC rate decision was widely expected to keep rates on hold at around 5.25% and 5.5%. Looking ahead though, the main event is now here on Friday for the US job report. But the previous employment print showed an increase of 216,000 jobs, while January's forecast is less at 187,000 jobs. The unemployment rate is expected to rise from 3.7% to 3.8%, and therefore could give us a little bit more insight in what the US Federal Reserve's rate path. There is much talk still that we could see a rate hike in March, even though the Fed did back down on that call, but did say that he would rather wait and see how the data looked. Nevertheless, the euro has rebounded and now looks towards that challenge somewhere around 109.05. A clearance there should give further scope up towards the region of 109.60, 65, and then higher on towards that 110 area, which is still awaiting to be challenged. Dollar yen outlook is weaker and took another stab at 145.80.90 overnight and still currently holds to a negative bias as both the indicators, the RSI and MACD, are married up to support a further down case. If we do see a break here, that would give further scope towards 145.10 and towards 144.5 and reassess, as we would probably be oversold and profit taking may start to emerge. As widely expected, the Bank of England kept rates on hold at 5.25 and still currently holding to a somewhat dovish policy or statement from yesterday's announcement. The Governor of the Bank of England, Andrew Bailey, stated that the policy will need to remain restrictive, but the bank will focus on data. Looking to the current pattern, the rejection from that key level, which is seen right back towards December at 126.10.15, is likely to continue to hold, and from the overnight rejection, let's see if the market can clear 127.70 and on to 128. I'm still holding the view eventually from the broader aspect. The market may eventually reach the 129, 130 area. A whipsaw price action for gold ends in a bullish or an engulfing candle and still likely to hold further gains into today's session as the market now reaches its objective of 2052 to 4, may extend on towards 2070-80 area. A trend in place to the bull case. Strong candle from Thursday's price action to the New York close this morning should give further guidance to the upside, with any pullback likely to be shallow. Wrapping up with oil, the market plummeted again on Thursday and now challenges this breakout level, which is around $74 a barrel. I am keeping a very close watch in case we get a rejection from there, and if we see a break above 74.90, which isn't too far away, as we did get there this morning at 94, would give further scope towards $76 to $78 a barrel. A break of 74 or close of New York beneath this level would leave me neutral in the short term. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.